Welcome to Shana Hobbs' Art Channel.
Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Hello. So, I'm going to be trying a Dutch paw today. Now, I do believe, and I may be wrong, I think it was Rinske Downer who came up with the Dutch paw. I do believe it was Rinske Downer. I'm sorry if I'm wrong, but the Dutch paw is something that I've only tried once before and it didn't come out. I actually have that painting here. Hold on, let me get it. This was the only attempt I've ever done of the Dutch paw. Now, although I actually do like this painting, it's, you know, it's got very pretty colors in it, it's lovely, but it didn't turn out the way it was supposed to. I kept it because I like it. I mean, look at the, awfully pretty. But anyway, so right here. So I'm going to be trying to do another Dutch paw today, and I have bought this, which is just called the World's Smallest Blower, and it's a USB, which is super handy, and the blower itself comes with that nozzle, and then you can buy extra attachment nozzles to fit on there. Usually you can buy these on Amazon. Now, for some reason I could not find this on Amazon this time, and I ended up buying it off John Franklin Art Etsy shop. That's where I got this one from, with the attachment. So this is what I'm going to be using today to do the Dutch paw. And the canvas, the canvas I'm using today, 30 by 40 centimeters. I don't know, I know 30 centimeter is 12 inch, so there we go. That's the canvas I've got today. So I have, I've just mixed up some white here, which I'm going to put down as a base. Now, like I said, I've only attempted this once before and it didn't work. So, I don't know. I'm gonna give it another try. I mean, what can we do? We just got to try, and you just never know, right? Just gonna give it a try, because, you know, for those who know how to do these Dutch paws, they're very pretty paintings. And I've always said to myself, oh wow, I wish I could do that. Well, now, if you don't try, Shana, come on Shana, you can't just talk about it, you got to try it. And you know what, just keep at it until you get it right, you know. So, like I said, I've only tried it once and it didn't work, but then I didn't try again. Well, that's, you're never going to learn then, you know. So, yeah, I'm just putting a little bit of a base down here, and I'm going to use my palette knife, which is just going to be a lot easier than this silly stick. Just give it a go. Okay. And of course, what you can hear is rain or sleet or snow, I don't know. We've had a mixture of all three today, some sleet, some snow, and rain. And it's very dark outside. but it's only about 3:30 in the afternoon. It's just grey and miserable. Okay, we'll just leave that. Right, let's just give this a go. I mean, yeah, like I said. So I'm going to put on this attachment, which I think would be best. And I'm actually going to just put a little bit of tape around this attachment because I've noticed it doesn't actually hold on to the machine very well. Like it's going to fall off. Wait, calm yourself. Okay, all right, don't know. Let's just put some paint on this canvas, shall we? And I think I'm just going to go from here, oops, and I'm going to go down, and another color, like that, and another color, and oops, a little bit of this maybe, but just a little bit because it's black. I don't want too much, I just want a couple drips of it. Just like that. And maybe some of this. Maybe one more color. I don't know which color. You know, I always like this color, so I'll just put some more. Okay. Let's just see what happens, everyone. I hope it's still recording. Yeah. Okay. I'm going to start here, sort of in the middle. Okay. I don't know. I don't know what to say. Oh my goodness, no. No. I don't know. I don't know why. Like, for instance, this white needs to level itself off, which it hasn't done. Okay, so why isn't this leveling? And I'm thinking that I maybe could have maybe, I don't know. I mean, if I look at this, there's something missing, you know, maybe some more color. Oh, I don't know. there's something not right with it, is it? So I'll just add a whole bunch of color on here and blow it again and see what happens. And there's a lot of paint on there now, right? Okay, there's more color now. Okay, that looks a little better. Sorry about the arm in the way now. Oh, well, I mean, I don't know what to say, I don't know what to do. It looks nice. This paint is just a little bit thick here in places. So I've just got to try and thin this paint a little bit here. Okay. I don't know. I guess we'll just have to wait and see how this dries, that's all. I can just come back and cover the sides. You know, I can paint the sides when it's dry. I'm just hoping that this white levels out. I don't really know. But all in all, it's actually quite pretty, even though it's yeah. I don't, I'm going to bring you down. I'm going to show you. So it's definitely got some pretty patterns in it, and it's definitely got some pretty colors in it. It is pretty. It's different. I do like it. Like I said, if it dries like that, it's nice. Very pretty. Even these ripply waves. So yeah, I don't know. We're just gonna have to wait and see how this one dries. I don't know. Can't tell you. This is 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Look how dark it is. Anyway, right here, that I don't know. It's so annoying when when the experts do it, it looks so easy, and then you try it and it's like, no, it's not that easy. Okay, you know what, we're gonna get this. It's not the end of the world. We're going to master the art of Dutch pours. Just wait and watch this space. Okay, I'm gonna see you in the next video. Bye everyone.